Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network tutorial. In this video, we are going to explore about Salesforce Associate Certification exam. This certification is designed for individuals who may have up to 6 months of user experience. So the individual have understanding of what is CRM, how can we automate the processes. So at least the user must have to know these terms. Salesforce Associate Certification includes the fundamental awareness of how an integrated CRM platform solves the challenges of connecting different departments with their customer data. Also, understanding the terms like reporting, user administration, sharing concepts, customization, and data management at the foundational level. Here, technical expertise is not required. So, if anyone having this set of knowledge, they can go with Salesforce Associate Certification exam. About the exam, it's including 40 multiple choice questions and up to 5 questions, that is type of non-scored questions. Time allotted to complete this exam is 70 minutes. Passing score is 62%, and this exam can be written at any Salesforce testing center. Also, we can go with online. Salesforce Associate Exam Outline. So the candidates who are preparing for this certification must know the below objectives. So Salesforce ecosystem, it is having the highest weightage like 32%. So this is of like use case type, identifying which Salesforce customer 360 product offering could be used, describe how companies use Salesforce, and also differentiate between various job roles and career paths in the Salesforce ecosystem. Next, we are seeing navigation 28%. Also, navigation is important for Salesforce to perform any task or process. So it identifies how a user can locate and access necessary information, identifying where Salesforce customization take places. Next, we are seeing data model. So it is having weightage of 25%. It explains the relationship between core standard objects. So already Salesforce had provided like some standard objects: lead, account, contact, opportunity, cases. Also, it determines which feature to use to ensure data visibility and data integrity. Next, we are seeing reports and dashboards. So its weightage is like 15%. So it describes reports and dashboards on the Salesforce platform. Next, how to prepare for this certification. In order to prepare for this certification, Salesforce is providing the guidance path, also the content in proper format with trial mixes and module. So let's see how to navigate these options. So let's log into our Trailhead account. So here we have to go with trailhead.salesforce.com. At the right side we are seeing login. So here under experiences there is Trailhead. We need to click on this. So it is giving the options like from different accounts we can log in. So by Google or Salesforce account, MuleSoft, Tableau. So there are so many options to get login with the Trailhead account. So for now we are going with Salesforce account. So here we need to provide the username and password. Hit the login button. So it is going to take like bit time to authorizing all the details. So here we are seeing the Trailhead, then today, learn, community, career path, and under credentials we are seeing the certification. So let's click on this certification. Here we are seeing Salesforce Associate Certification. So let's click on this. So if I'm scrolling down here, we are seeing Salesforce Associate Certification. So let's click on this Salesforce Associate. So here it is redirecting like Salesforce Associate about the exam. So the Salesforce Associate Certification is designed for individuals who have fundamental awareness of how to integrated CRM platform solve the challenges of connecting different departments and customer data, and also who may have up to 6 months of Salesforce user experience. So if the individual having at least 6 months of experience, so they are getting the things how to do and how to go with this certification exam. So here we are seeing one link, get the exam guide. So let's click on this. So here we are getting the details of Salesforce Certified Associate exam. So this is the exam guide. Below that we are seeing the contents about the Salesforce Associate credentials, audience description, Salesforce Associate, purpose of this exam guide, about the exam, recommended trainings and resources, exam outline, exam candidate code of conduct, maintaining your Salesforce certification. So let's first see about the exam. So here, as we had already seen that about the exam, so content like 40 multiple choice questions, time is like 70 minutes, passing score is 62%, registration fee is US dollar 75 plus applicable taxes as required per local law. Retake fee is free, and delivery options, it is like online testing center, as well as we can go with online. References, no hard copy or online material can be referenced during the exam. Prerequisite, none. Next, let's see what is the exam outline. So here we are seeing the Salesforce ecosystem. It is of like 32%, navigation 28%, data model 25%, and reports and dashboards having 15% of weightage. So if I am clicking on the details, we are seeing what the things is required for these topics. So for Salesforce ecosystem, navigation, data model, reports and dashboards. So again, if I am coming back, Salesforce Associate, about the exam, what we had seen before. So here we are seeing the study and prepare. So there is a trial mix. Prepare for your Salesforce Associate credentials. So Salesforce Trailhead is providing a trial mix for preparing this certification. So if I am clicking on this link, so let's click open link in new tab. So it is redirecting over here. So this trial mix is all about preparing the Salesforce Certified Associate Certification exam. So here are some links and tasks to do. So modules, it is of 100 points. Again modules, your guide to Trailhead 100 points. So we have to do this all the modules and complete the task. Then we could get a proper guidance to attend this Salesforce Associate exam. So there are many more. It is taking approximately 32 hours 40 minutes. So when we are starting with this trial mix, we need to click on this follow button also. Again coming back, So next again we are seeing Salesforce Trailhead module for Salesforce Associate Certification preparation. So again let's click on this. So this module is designed for the preparation of Salesforce Certified Associate exam. So while doing this, we need to click on this start button, and it is containing like get started with Salesforce Associate Certification preparation. Learn about Salesforce ecosystem, explore navigation, study up on the data model, review reports and dashboards. So it is taking approximately 25 minutes to complete, and when we are doing this, it is also giving us the percentage how much we had completed. So in this video we had seen that how to prepare for Salesforce Associate exam and what are the contents that Trailhead is providing for Salesforce Certified Associate exam. Thank you.